In modern manufacturing, to achieve high-precision machining, we must solve the challenge of spindle thermal elongation. Thermal elongation occurs at high speeds due to heat generation from the motor and friction. It causes dimensional errors, increased surface roughness, and dynamic accuracy drift. Traditional cooling methods only cool the spindle's surface, unable to reach the core heat source. Even with thermal compensation algorithms, it's impossible to completely eliminate the accuracy drift caused by thermal elongation, leaving domestic firms unable to break the precision bottleneck. To break foreign monopolies, Haozhi has achieved a disruptive technological breakthrough. Spindle Core Cooling Technology, featuring minimal thermal elongation, short stabilization time, low core temperature. It utilizes an innovative internal direct cooling design. The cooling medium acts directly on the spindle's core heat zone, and solving thermal elongation at its root. Thermal stabilization time drops to 0.5 to 2 minutes, boosting stabilization efficiency by 60% to 100%. Machining dimensional deviation drops from 10 to 15 microns. In actual machining, Haozhi's core cooling technology demonstrates significant advantages: precise temperature control, strong material compatibility, and high dynamic stability. Motorized spindles for machining centers, DGZYX15024. Powered by Haozhi's core cooling technology, solving thermal elongation at its root. Precise temperature control. Motorized spindle series with core cooling structure reduces thermal elongation by 50% to 75%. Thermal stabilization time drops to 0.5 to 2 minutes. Thermal stabilization time is reduced by 90%. Spindle system temperature rise is reduced, effectively extending bearing service life. Haozhi's core cooling technology suppresses thermal elongation through precise temperature control. Aerospace and defense, new energy and 3C electronics, solving accuracy, roughness, and tolerance issues caused by thermal to guarantee machining precision, stability, and surface quality. From mastering core technology to empowering the entire industry, Haozhi's core cooling technology innovatively solves thermal elongation at its root. It achieves batch consistency and leaps in precision, adapts to complex machining with various materials and speeds, extends the lifespan of both spindles and cutting tool, and significantly lowers equipment lifecycle costs, propelling China's precision machining technology onto the world stage.